BEA's Universal Slimline Keypad offers field-proven reliability and a cost-effective solution anywhere access control is desired. These devices are designed for integration into security systems with electromagnetic locks, electric strikes, and other equipment requiring on, off, or momentary control inputs. This highly flexible keypad allows for up to 1010 user codes. All programming is completed entirely from the keypad. Non-volatile memory means codes and instructions will remain with the power removed. Backlit numbers allow for improved visibility in dimly lit areas. The Universal Slimline Keypad offers a two-zone feature that provides 2 relays and 2 exit button outputs for 2-zone applications. IP66 rating ensures the device will withstand the elements in harsh, industrial, and outdoor environments. Contact your BEA sales representative or visit www.beainc.com to learn more about BEA's Universal Slimline Keypads.